Want a quick and delicious breakfast idea? Here is a delicious Spanish omelette that is easy to make and loved by everyone. Hit 1/4 cup of oil in a pan. Add 1 cup of finely chopped potatoes when the oil is hot. Stir frequently and fry on medium flame until they start to soften. About 2-3 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of chopped onions and cook for another 2-3 minutes. Optional, add 1 cup of shredded cabbage and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This step gives an added flavor, but one can omit it if desired. Cover and cook on a low flame for 7-8 minutes until potatoes and onions soften. Once done, switch off the flame and transfer everything onto a plate. Now, crack 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Whisk well until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Add some chopped coriander and mint leaves and mix in fried potatoes and onions. Your mixture of Spanish omelette is ready. Let's cook it. Heat 2 tablespoons of the oil in a pan on medium flame. Spread it evenly around the edges. Pour in 1/2 of the egg mixture. Keep the rest for later. If you are adding cheese, sprinkle 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Now, pour the remaining egg mixture over the cheese. Keep the flame low. Then cover with a lid and cook for 6-7 minutes. Flip the omelette delicately on a plate and cook the other side on low flame for another 5-6 minutes. Turn off the flame when done. Your soft, cheesy Spanish omelette is ready. Perfectly cooked from the inside with cheese melted and a golden crust. Cut into slices and serve hot with ketchup. So, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty ideas. Thanks for watching.